Today I'm cooking my daughter's favorite dish, tapioca leaves and pork belly in coconut milk curry. This recipe is for 10 to 12 servings. I am cooking a big portion as this curry can be kept in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. It also tastes better on the next day. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of pork belly cut into bite-sized pieces, 380 grams of cooked tapioca leaves. This recipe link is in the see more links. 1.6 liter of water, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 300 ml of concentrated coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of dry shrimp, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste or belacan, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of concentrated tamarind water, 120 grams of shallots, 45 grams of garlic, 25 grams of fresh turmeric, 30 grams of young galanga. I will only be using this part. 8 pieces of dry chili, soak, 4 pieces of red chili, and 3 stalks of lemongrass. The full list of the ingredients are in the see more link. Put the belacan and the dry shrimp in the same plate with these ingredients to be blended together. Some of them are quite big and hard. Cut them into smaller pieces. For galanga, I will use only the head here. Cut the lemongrass into smaller pieces. Once they are ready, they can be blended. Marinate the pork belly with half teaspoon of salt. Rub the salt to evenly marinate it. Leave it aside. Next, put all the lemongrass into the blender. Galanga, dry shrimp, shrimp paste or belacan, garlic, turmeric, shallots, fresh and dry chili, and 150 ml of water for easy blending. Cover and blend it for about 1 minute. Here it is. It is really fine. Heat the pan, add in 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, and all the blended ingredients in the pan. Ensure to add it while the oil is still cool, else it might cause a massive oil splash. Stir the blended ingredients for 10 minutes, or until the aroma and the consistency has become thicker. After 10 minutes, the consistency of the curry mixture has become thicker, like a paste, and it has released some oil, which means it is okay. Add in the marinated pork belly. Give it a stir until the pork belly is well coated with the curry paste. Cover the pan, reduce the heat to medium-low, and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. Stir in between to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. When the pork belly is cooking, it will slowly release some liquid, and there should be a bit of gravy in the pan. After 10 minutes, the pork belly has changed the color and there is a little gravy in the pan. The pork belly is cooked but still very tough. Add in 1 liter of water and stir. Add in the tamarind water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and the balance of the salt. Stir and mix well. Cover the lid, raise the heat to medium, and cook it for 45 minutes or until the pork belly becomes soft. Stir in between to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 45 minutes, the gravy has reduced to half. Let's check on the pork belly. Oh, it is soft but not tender, which is okay. By the time we add in the tapioca leaf and cook a little bit more, the pork belly should be tender and perfect. Next, add in the tapioca leaves. Stir until well combined. The tapioca leaves tend to absorb a lot of gravy from the curry. Add in 200 ml of concentrated coconut milk. Continue to stir until the curry and coconut are incorporated. Add in the water a bit by bit as we don't want the curry to be too thin. Start with 400 ml of water. Stir and continue to mix. Still not enough? Add in another 200 ml of water. Stir and mix again. Set the time for 20 minutes. Cover the pan and bring it to a rolling boil again. Stir in between to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 15 minutes, let's check on the curry. The gravy has reduced a bit. Give it a taste. It is good but still not perfect. I am adding 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 100 ml of coconut milk. Stir and mix until well combined. Now I can give it a taste. Oh wow, this is perfect, very delicious. The taste is great. Let's check on the pork. The pork belly is very soft and tender. It should be okay now. Switch off the heat and we are done. Delicious tapioca leaves with pork belly in a coconut milk curry is ready. For a better taste, I recommend resting the curry for at least 1 hour before serving. Let's eat! Oh wow, very delicious. The vegetables are tasty and so nice to eat. The pork belly is so good and very tender. The gravy is very creamy and goes well with the rice. I really recommend this curry if you can find the tapioca leaves. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.